Powerful engines, exceptional safety features, low maintenance and impressive warranty. Those are some of the advantages that come with a decent mid-size sports utility vehicle. I also cannot forget value for money, and that's where reliability comes in. You wouldn't want an SUV that breaks down easily, is expensive to repair, or an option you will probably be forced to sell off at a low price due to fast depreciation. Well, I did some research on two reliable consumer satisfaction websites, which is iccars.com and JD Power, and I'll share 8 of the most dependable mid-size SUVs according to these websites. Remember, we are discussing options with the most extended mileage, highest safety levels, best resale value, and lowest maintenance and repair costs. Of course, these cars also tick other boxes such as fuel economy, comfort, versatility, ease of driving, outstanding technology, and convenience. On one hand, JD Power, an independent consumer insights and research company, considered factors like quality, reliability, resale value, and driving experience. On the other hand, iccars.com, a car review site and search engine, also factored reliability, resale value or value retention, and safety among other factors in coming up with the ratings. However, since we are discussing the most reliable mid-size SUVs on the market, we'll focus our list on reliability more. The SUVs I'll share now are not just the most reliable in 2023, but also the hottest, and you'll learn why. Watch out for the mid-size SUV occupying number 1. You'll agree it's worth getting and driving. Here we go. In number 8, Ford Explorer. iccars.com gives the 2023 Ford Explorer an overall reliability score of 8.6 of 10, which is pretty good. iccars.com also gives it a safety score of 9 of 10, a value retention score of 7.1 of 10, and an overall score of 8.2 of 10. An 8.6 of 10 reliability score means that the Ford Explorer has only 14% failure chance. What's even more impressive is its 9 of 10 safety score, which shows that the car has only 10% safety risk, and that's pretty impressive. Meanwhile, JD Power gives it an overall score of 82 of 100, a reliability and quality score of 83 of 100, a resale value of 82 of 100, and a driving experience score of 83 of 100. That means the SUV is reliable and has a good resale value, and you can expect to enjoy the driving experience. In both reports, the Ford Explorer is reliable because it suffers fewer defects, design flaw, and malfunctions, and its depreciation rate is pretty low, proving value for money. In number 7, Hyundai Santa Fe. The 2023 Hyundai Santa Fe is another reliable SUV you can count on. According to iccars.com, this SUV enjoys a reliability score of 8.6 of 10 and a perfect 10 of 10 safety score. According to JD Power, the mid-size SUV has a reliability score of 79 of 100 and a resale value of 86 of 100. With both reports in mind, the Hyundai Santa Fe is a good value for money. Its level of malfunctions and defects is pretty low, which according to JD Power is only 21%, which also goes for the design flaws. Owners are also pretty satisfied with the SUV's overall driving experience, especially when you factor in its safety, comfort, technology, and performance, which again speaks of its reliability. Interestingly, owners like the SUV's fuel economy a lot, which is about 25 to 28 miles per gallon on highways and 21 to 25 miles per gallon on city roads. They also like its rich conveniences and powerful 191 to 277 horsepower engine. There are, however, a few concerns with the front seat's comfort and accessibility, according to some customers. That, however, does not negate the fact that the SUV has an overall impressive score. In number 6, Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee is another highly rated mid-size SUV and the second best for towing. That explains why it has an overall reliability score of 8.6 of 10 and a safety score of 9.3 of 10. According to JD Power, the 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee has a 77 of 100 quality and reliability score and 81 of 100 resale value. So, If you sell it off, its resale value is pretty good. Performance-wise, the Cherokee enjoys a fuel economy of 25 to 28 miles per gallon on highways and 21 to 25 miles per gallon on city roads, which is not bad. Its intercooled turbocharged engine, whose maximum output is 277 horsepower, is one reason the SUV is dependable on rugged terrains. The other reason is its all-wheel drive configuration, allowing you to take head-on almost anything. Wait a minute. I know you're enjoying this video. What about you give me a thumbs up by liking it, then subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest epic videos. Let's continue. In number 5, Mazda CX9. If you're looking for the best 3-row SUV for the money or the best mid-size SUV for the money, there is none better than the 2023 Mazda CX9. That's according to iccars.com, which rates the SUV first in both categories. Moreover, concerning the best crossover SUV category, the Mazda CX9 takes position 3, which again means you can't go wrong with it as your all-terrain choice. Regarding reliability, iccars.com gives it a score of 8.7 of 10, which shows it's an SUV you can count on. On the other hand, JD Power gives it a reliability score of 81 of 100, but what catches my eye is its 82 of 100 resale value. It shows you will likely recoup a massive chunk of your money if you sell this SUV. Overall, the impressive reliability and resale value score is due to its low level of malfunctions, design flaws and defects. Additionally, it's also due to its remarkable performance outlined by a decent fuel economy, a powerful powertrain, and quality safety features and technologies. They all make the drive enjoyable. In number 4, Chevrolet Blazer. According to iccars.com, the Chevrolet Blazer is the second best American midsize SUV, the third best American crossover SUV, and the fourth best gas mileage midsize SUV. So if you're looking for an SUV in any of these categories, you can't go wrong with the 2023 Chevrolet Blazer. That aside, the SUV enjoys an 8.7 of 10 reliability score and a perfect safety score. So, if you're looking for an SUV where you don't have any safety concerns, the Chevrolet Blazer is a worthy purchase. JD Power gives this mid-size SUV an 86 of 100 reliability score, which is hugely due to having fewer problems, especially with the engine, infotainment and bodywork, to name just a few. The SUV also enjoys an 81 of 100 resale value, which shows you will likely get a reasonable price if you sell it off. Moreover, the customers relish its driving experience due to its impressive safety, in-car technology, performance and comfort levels. In number 3, Toyota Highlander. The Toyota Highlander tops many limits, making it a fantastic buy. iccars.com names it the safest 3-row SUV, the best mid-size SUV overall, and the best mid-size SUV for tall people. That's not all. iccars.com gives it a reliability score of 8.7 of 10, a value retention of 8.2 of 10, and a perfect safety score. Again, the ideal score explains why it is the safest 3-row SUV. As for value retention, you can count on this SUV to bring back a large part of your spending. Reliability. Its impressive reliability score means you can count on it to serve you longer, suffer fewer maintenance and repair issues, and have a good driving experience over the years. According to JD Power, the 2023 Toyota Highlander has an 81 of 100 reliability score due to its fewer manufacturing and design defects. As for the resale value, JD Power gives it an 89 of 100 score, showing an extremely low depreciating value. In number 2, Honda Pilot. iccars.com lists the Honda Pilot as the most reliable crossover SUV, the second best mid-size SUV, and the second safest 3-row SUV. So, you'll get an SUV that ticks many boxes at a go. Regarding reliability, this SUV enjoys a reliability score of 9.1 of 10, which speaks volumes about the quality of the car you're buying. Its stellar reliability score is mainly due to its fewer design and manufacturing defects, component failure, and performance issues. Also, it's due to its fantastic technology, comfort features, functionality, and safety. According to JD Power, this SUV has an impressive 81 of 100 reliability score and an equally impressive 87 of 100 resale value. So, if you're looking for an SUV that won't depreciate faster, you can't go wrong with the 2023 Honda Pilot. You'll also like the SUV's overall driving experience and dealership. Concerning dealership, owners love that the dealership facilities are within reach, the workmanship is high quality, and the customer service is reliable. In number 1, Toyota 4Runner. Now you know, the mid-size SUV I promised at the start of this video is the Toyota 4Runner. This Japan power base ticks many boxes, explaining why it tops my video list. According to iCars.com, it is the most reliable mid-size SUV today and the option with the best resale value. So, it has a reliability score of 9.2 of 10 and a value retention of 9 of 10. iCars.com also ranks it second among the best off-road capable mid-size SUVs. And when it comes to JD Power, the SUV has an 87 of 100 reliability score and a 90 of 100 resale value, making it the best overall in both categories. JD Power claims the impressive reliability score is due to fewer manufacturing and design defects and performance problems. Given its low depreciating value, you'll likely get a good resale price. So, you can't go wrong with the 4Runner. The discussed SUVs are undoubtedly the most reliable options in the mid-size category. If you want an SUV in 2023 or beyond, they are the ones to go for. As you contemplate on the decision, here is another exciting video on the worst SUVs you should never buy. See you there.